உங்கள் வாழ்வை வாழ. Cheers, a senior living by Casagrande. Life begins at 50.
சாணக்யா இன்டர்நேஷனல் அகாடமி உங்களுக்குள் இருக்கும் தலைவரை வெளிக்கொண்டு வரும் பியூர் பாலிடிக்ஸ் பயிற்சி பட்டறை. நேரடி மற்றும் இணைய வழி. கான்டாக்ட் 7338824242.
வணக்கம், நான் பி சுதாகர் ரெட்டி, ஃபார்மர் MLC and National BJP co-in-charge for Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Tamilagam Thalai Nimira Tamilanin Payanam. That yatra took by our beloved Thalaivar Tamil Nadu BJP President Sri Nayanar Nagendranji's yatra by completing several constituencies and districts. Tomorrow a huge public meeting is going to be addressed by Honorable Home Minister and Cooperative Minister Sri Amit Shah ji tomorrow evening in Pudukkottai. People are very anxiously awaiting for our Honorable Home Minister's visit, and it will be a large gathering, very successful meeting we are going to conduct by exposing the misdeeds and failures, anti-people policies, failure of law and order and corrupt practices, scams and lawlessness, and also sand scam and land scam, liquor scam and drugs, so many things. This is so-called this Dravidian rule in Tamil Nadu is happening. People are facing so many problems, farmers, unemployed youth and all weaker sections, Mahilas, no security for ladies, this thing. Several incidents occurred and murders are happening, no control on law and order. This is the prevailing condition of Tamil Nadu. In these circumstances, the Chief Minister is bent upon to attract the voters eye on the coming ensuing elections of 2026 happening. Keeping eye on the vote bank politics, he is announcing sincerity. I am not seeing any sincerity, as rightly said by our Nayanar Nagendranji. Just it is an election promise. Earlier also 4.5 years back, 502 promises they made. Some promises implemented, but majority promises they have even not touched. That is the sorry state of affairs of the DMK rule. And now also doing some perks to Mahilas and some youth. Now pension scheme, Tamil Nadu TAPS scheme announced by the Chief Minister and the government. Also in the similar way to attract the voters. After 2004 there is no announcement for any teachers or government employees of the any sort of pensions. Now keeping an eye of the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, this is assembly election oriented promise. Anyway, they announced they have to implement. We are not objecting for any good thing, but we are doubt because in the previous track record is like that. 502 promises they made, not fulfilled fully. That is the reason the people are fed up with this governance and government, and they will give befitting reply in coming assembly elections by defeating DMK, the Katta Panchayati government, family oriented government, settlement all by the scams, of the scams, for the scams government, bail to jail, jail to bail. So many leaders still they are in the bail. This is the sorry state of affairs. Definitely people are seeing, and under the beloved dynamic visionary leadership of Narendra Modi ji, we will definitely win over the hearts of people of Tamil Nadu, Tamil Makkal, by electing NDA alliance led by Palaniswamy ji, ADMK, NDA government. Definitely with thumping majority we are going to form the government with the blessings of Tamil Makkal and Tamil people.